skating. Now we're looking for dessert.
Always have room for dessert.
Yep.
I just started to get how to skate, and they're like, "Oh, you have to go," so I'm kind of salty.
The session was like an hour and 45 minutes.
Yeah, we skated from start to end. So fun.
Bridget did good.
Not really. At the end.
It's okay, next time. We got our dessert. What is this? Honey
cake.
Honey cake.
Some sort of
We just
layer.
have Pacific coffee. Muji now. We finished eating dessert. It's 5 now.
Somehow.
I don't know who drew these, but they're so cute. Look at us. 花拼嚟香港開演唱會啊! We just tried on some clothes. I'm gonna get this dress, I think.
It's a good color.
And then Bridget's considering if she should get this.
Considering.
Yeah. We'll see.
We'll see.
We're at Harbor City now. We always come to the rooftop when we're here. The view is really nice, especially now. It's about sunset time. Is this chocolate? What is
Whoa.
You're looking for the medium?
it? Yeah. And then that's the cup. The cap. The exit is so far away.
You're half an hour late.
I know.
Oh, the air.
Lily. Hello. Wait. Wait. 過馬路，你嗰度先。Okay, got it. 20 seconds. Oh, I don't trust myself to do it. Yeah, I can do it. Look at you, hold the camera. It's already recording. Wait, do you want to be
It's like having an accessible
Got it?
Whatever. Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Okay, cool. Looks good. I need a background. Not sponsored by Coca-Cola.
我第一次聽咧，人會帶 extra sauce 出門。
Because last time when I went to Saikong, wow, it's like pouring.
And then your shoes.
Yeah, soaked.
Your shoes were wearing.
Feel us. They're still drying.
You're so dry.
Yeah.
Wait, 幾時去西貢啊？
Last week? No. Last week?
一
I think last
未
week.
差。
天氣又差咧。
咪用風筒吹佢咯。
Oh yeah. Anyways. Picture.
corner are you choosing?
Pick and pop. What's that?
Pick and pop.
Okay, let's try.
Have to squat. How do you squat? What? Squat? Squat right. What? Oh, okay, got it.
So dumb on camera.
Oh no, Renee's winning.
Oh my god. What's this? Oh, that baby! Where's the grandma? They have the grandma? Yes!
Please, Subin. I just want one Subin. My luck. Johnny. Something Nana. Oh. My bias.
What the hell?
Nana. I'm just scared. Oh, she's my second bias. All over me, what the heck? It's a cute name. Oh, I like this. Find the body. Wait, our body. Wait. Yo, what is this? Jay, it's you. No, wait, that's Joanne. Joanne. I like this.
They beat the high score again. Absolutely slacking.
Oh!